Okay, good morning students. So we will resume our discussion of this chapter that we have started. So far we have discussed question number 1, 2 and 3. I hope you all have solved few questions and must have understood the formulas. Now we will resume with the remaining questions. So let's see question number 4. In this, what we have to do, we have to write the angles from 0 to 45 degree. Okay, so we have to convert these angles from 0 to 45 degree. So what we will do in these type of questions, so if you remember what was sine theta was cos 90 minus theta, and what was tan theta that we have discussed, tan theta was cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so these two things were there. Now we will use these two so-called identities. So we will replace sine by and okay. So I have replaced this 59 by 90 minus cos 90 minus theta and this 10 by cot 90 minus theta. So what I will get? I will get cos 31 degree plus cot 27 degree. So this will be my answer. See, here it was 59, now the angle has changed from 59 to 31, and in this angle has changed from 763 to 27 degree, and this is in our acceptable range. So this is how you can solve. Okay, then let's see one more question. Even if you do not understood, cos 74 degree plus sec 67 degree. Okay, so one more way I will tell you how to solve the questions like is given in your book. In this you have to see how you will get 74. So what we know, 90 minus 16 is 74. So I will replace this 74 by 90 minus 16 like this, cos 90 minus 16 degree, and this sec will and 67 will be replaced by 90 minus 23 degree. Okay, so this is one method. This is another method to solve the question. But in the previous method, what I was doing, I was replacing the sine or respective trigonometrical ratios. In this method, I am replacing the angle. So what I know, 74 is 90 minus 16. So I have replaced this 74 by 90 minus 16, and I have replaced this 67 by 90 minus 23. So what I will get? I will get sine 16 degree plus cosec 23 degree. Okay, so this is my answer. Most frequently occurring mistakes what students are doing, you are writing like this. You are just writing cos 90 minus 74 and then you are writing sec 90 minus 67. Okay, this is absolutely wrong. If you are replacing the angle, then do not write it like this. It is absolutely wrong. You have to replace 74 by 90 minus 16. You have to find the value from which you will subtract 90 so that you will get the angle. Okay, so this is absolutely wrong. Do not do this, otherwise your question will be wrong. You may get the right answer, but that will not be right way to solve the question. Either you use this method or you use this method. Okay, let's discuss one more type. Now in this, what is given? ABC is a triangle and we have to show that sine A plus B by 2 is equals to cos C by 2. Okay, so in these type of questions, what we will do? We will first write A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. If you remember, that was the angle sum property. Okay, you must have know this. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now what I need, if I take my LHS is sine a plus b by 2. So I will take out this value a plus b. So what is a plus b? A plus b is 180 minus c. So I will substitute this value of a plus b here. So what I will get? Sine 180 minus c upon 2. Now you just separate it like this. Sine 180 by 2 minus c by 2. So you will get sine 90 minus c by 2. And what we know, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it is cos c by 2. So we can easily say that LHS equal to RHS equal to cos c by 2. Hence 2. So what is the step that I have taken? I have used the angle sum property. Then I have replaced the value of a plus b equals to 180 minus c here. And then I use the identity sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So in these type of questions you can solve like this. Okay, let's discuss few more questions. So suppose we have to evaluate this. Now I am replacing this sine by 90 minus 72 degree. Okay, sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta minus sec becomes cosec 90 minus 32 upon cosec 58. So it becomes cos 18 degree upon cos 18 degree minus cosec 58 degree upon cosec 58 degree. So these two will cancel. What we will get? 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2. Okay, so this is how you replace either you replace sine by cos or you replace this 72 by 90 minus 18. Do not replace both, because if you replace you will get the same question. Okay, let's see one more question, one more type. Suppose suppose this is there. Again what we will do, we will replace this sine by cos 90 minus theta upon cos 10 degree plus, now this is 59 plus 31 is again 90 degree. So we will change either sign or sec. Suppose if you change this sec, so what you will write? Cosec 90 minus 31 degree. So it becomes cos 10 degree upon cos 10 degree sin 59 degree and cosec 59 degree. Now we will use once again we will use a reciprocal relation, that is sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. So we will replace this. What you will get? It becomes 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so you can see these are not very difficult questions. Only thing that you keep in mind, what you are going to do, either you are replacing the trigonometrical ratio or you are replacing the respective angle into its corresponding complementary angle. Okay, let's discuss one more type. So in this, it is 65 plus a and it is 25 minus a. So if you see carefully, 65 plus 25 will make 90 degree. So again I am replacing cosec by sec and it becomes 90 minus theta minus sec 25 minus a. So it is equals to sec 90 minus 65 minus a minus sec 25 minus a. So what you will get, sec 25 minus a minus sec 25 minus a, and since they both are same, so when you cancel you will get the answer as 0. Okay, so you just identify the complementary angles and then replace those complementary angles by their respective complement. Okay, let's see one more type. Okay, the confusion was there in the previous exercise, so let's see this. (57 degree) cot 33 degree minus cot 70 degree upon tan 20 degree minus root 2 cos 45. Okay, so these two we have done. Now whenever you have the angle whose value you know, in that case you will always keep that value in place of the angle. So first, likewise we have done now many questions. Tan becomes cot 90 minus 57 upon cot 33 minus tan 90 minus 70 upon tan 20 minus root 2. And what we know? We know that cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So we will always put the value of the standard angles which we already studied in the chapter number 23. So it becomes now cot 33 degree upon cot 33 degree minus tan 20 degree upon tan 20 degree minus, and this root 2 and root 2 will cancel. So what you will get? 2 minus 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so almost all the questions are of same type. Only thing that you need to do is you have to replace the respective values with their complements. Okay, now again same type, this cos will become sine 90 minus theta into sine 20 degree. This again cos I am replacing by sine 90 minus theta, and this sine will remain same, minus 8 into what is sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree was 1 by 2, and we will put the whole square because it is sine square 30 degree. So what you will get? Sine 20 degree upon sine 20 degree plus sine 31 degree upon sine 31 degree minus 8 into 1 by 4. So when you cancel and it becomes 2, so what you will get, this is 1, again this quantity is 1 minus 2, so it is 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, then in this type of question there is all the angles which are given in this are the standard trigonometric angles, so you no need to replace anything. You simply just what you will do, it becomes 1 by 2, again it becomes 1 by 2, and what is tan 45? 1. So it is 7 plus 3 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Okay, so all the questions of this type, especially that we have discussed earlier, you just see the complementary angle pair, either replace the trigonometrical ratio or replace the angle. And if standard angles are already there like in this type of question, so no need to get confused, you just put the value of standard angles and take out the answer. Okay, now in this question what is given, that triangle ABC is there and in this angle B is 90 degree. So what we will do in this case, this is A and C, this is A and C. So if we calculate, what we know, A plus B plus C is equals to 90 degree, and if you put the value of B, that is 90, so what you will get, A plus C equal to 90. That means A and C are forming the complementary angle pair. So either you will replace the value of A by 90 minus C, or you will replace the value of C equal to 90 minus A. Suppose I take A is equals to 90 degree minus C. So what I will do, I will put value of A in expression. So what I will get, sec 90 minus C into sin C minus tan A. Okay, here I am writing. So it becomes sec 90 minus C sin C minus tan 90 minus C tan C, and B is already given as 90, so we will not do anything, we will just write sin 90 degree. So what was sec? It was cosec C, sin C, cot C, tan C upon, and what was sin 90? Sin 90 was 1. Again we will use the reciprocal relation, that is cosec theta into sin theta is 1 minus tan theta into cot theta is 1 upon 1. So it is 0 upon 1 and you will get 0. Okay, so again I am repeating one more time. In the questions likes of this, in which ABC are the angles of the triangle and one angle is 90 degree. And so what you will do, first you will calculate the sum of two angles. So when I calculated, what I came to know, that these two are forming the complementary angle pair. So in that case you will replace either A equal to 90 minus C, or you will replace C equal to 90 minus A, and then you will put the respective values like I have put. Then you will use the reciprocal relations that we have studied many times now. Cosec theta into sin theta is 1, cot theta into tan theta is equals to 1, and sin 90 is 1 already, so you will get 1 minus 1 upon 1, that is 0. So this is how you can solve the question likes of this. Okay, so last question. In this we have to find the value of angle A. So how we will proceed? So see, sin 90 minus theta, it will be equal to what? Cos 3A. So instead what we will do, we will not change it, because instead what we will do like this. We will take this cosec here, 1 upon cosec 42 degree. So it is then sine 90 minus 3a, and what we know? We know that 1 upon cosec theta is equals to actually sine theta. So this relation we will use here, sine theta. Now you can see on both sides same trigonometric functions are there. So what we will do? We will compare the angles. Okay, do not cut sine on both sides. We will simply compare the angles. That means 90 minus 3a will give you how much? 42 degree. So what is 3a then? It is a simple linear equation that you have studied many times. 48 degree. So from here what is a? 48 upon 3, that is 16 degree. Okay, so in these type of questions we will use these type of relations if it is necessary. And what is the concept behind it? Concept is on the both sides same trigonometric ratio should be there. If you make the same trigonometric ratio, then what you can do, you simply just compare their angles. Do not cut sine and sine. You cannot cut the sine. Rather you will compare their respective angles. Okay, so this is the end of your chapter 25. For any doubts you can ask me or message me, and we will